Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is Chanut Islamic School and College and welcome into your English class. I am Hiba Zulfikar. Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning to all of you, my coruscating star. Behind every successful person, there is a lot of unsuccessful attempts and years. My dear students, today we will learn about kinds of sentences according to function and structure. My shining stars, by the end of this lesson you will be able to define sentence and tell the kinds of sentences. Beta, kinds of sentences: sentence by purpose or function, declarative, imperative, interrogative and exclamatory. Sentences based on structure: simple sentence, complex, compound, compound, complex. First of all, we will discuss declarative sentences. A declarative sentence is a sentence that forms a statement. It ends with a period, full stop. For example, I went to the amusement park yesterday. Next kind is imperative. An imperative sentence is a sentence that makes a command or a request. It sometimes ends with a period, full stop. For example, go to bed now. Go close the door, Jimmy. Shut the door, please. Please give me your pencil, as the pitch and the sound is also showing which is command and which is request. Interrogative. An interrogative sentence is a sentence that forms a question. It ends in a question mark. Why is too wrong? Can you log me in your laptop? Exclamatory sentence. An exclamatory sentence is a sentence attempts to show powerful feeling and emotion, your sudden feelings and emotions. It ends with an exclamation point. For example, oh, there is a snake over there. I love you so much. Wow, what a lovely weather. But these were kinds of sentences on the basis of function: declarative, imperative, interrogative and exclamatory sentences. And now we will discuss kinds of sentences based on structure. First kind of sentence on the basis of structure is simple sentence. A simple sentence is a sentence that contains an independent clause. But an independent clause means a group of words that contain subject or verb but not give and expresses complete sense. For example, Maddie's team won the girls' basketball game. But our next kind is compound sentences. A compound sentence is a sentence that contains two independent clauses separated by a coordinating conjunction. Beta, as I told you earlier, independent clause means a group of words that contain subject or verb and give you a complete sentence. For example, Mandy, John and Jack watches television while Sean eats noodles. Our next kind of sentence is complex sentences. A complex sentence is a sentence that has an independent clause or a dependent clause. Beta, independent clause is a group of words that contain subject or verb and give you a complete sense. Whereas dependent clause is a group of words that contain subject or verb but doesn't give you a complete sense. For example, when Elizabeth handed in her homework, she forgot to put her name on it. Our last kind of sentence on the basis of structure is compound complex sentences. A compound complex sentence is a sentence that contains two independent clauses or a dependent clause and a coordinating conjunction. For example, although Bob likes to go camping, he has not had the time to go lately and he can't find anyone to go with. Beta, these were the 4 kinds based on the structure. Thank you. Beta, if you have any question, you may ask from me. Allah Hafiz.